Today, I'll show you how to isolate the red color in your video and turn everything else black and white. It's a clean and dramatic look and super easy to do with InShot's built-in filters. Let's get started. First, open your project and tap on the video clip you want to edit. Now, go down to the bottom toolbar and tap on Effect. Here you will have an option called Filter. Tap on that. Now, scroll over to the Spot category and select Red. Right below, you'll see a slider. This controls how much of the red color is shown. Drag it from 0 to 100 to increase or decrease the intensity of the red isolation. At 100, only the red areas will stay colored, while everything else turns black and white. Once it looks the way you want, hit the check mark to apply the effect. And that's it. You've successfully isolated the red color in your video using the Spot Red filter in InShot. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more quick InShot editing tips.